the companies Ripple has already acquired, is there any other company/companies you think of that would make Ripple even more competitive and versatile? I mean, a lot of the ones they acquired last year, I didn't necessarily have on the roadmap. Rail made a lot of sense for the stablecoin component. Palisade made a lot of sense for the licenses and the custody that they have over there in that jurisdiction. As they expand globally, they may continue to purchase specific players in different regions that already have licenses. They seem to have acquired the majority of the licenses they need to be able to transact globally at this point. But with that being said, I wouldn't be surprised to see them buy, a broker dealer. They don't currently have a broker dealer. They have a prime broker. If they are going to get into trading, tokenized securities in the private equity markets or through other means, I don't think that they will acquire a wealth advisor, just based on, at least, in the context I have there is, so we originally, custody assets with Standard Custody, and this was 2023 into 2024, and actually take that back, 2024 into, it was 23 into 24. And, when we talked to them, they actually moved us out of Standard Custody. They said, we don't really have any interest in working with wealth managers at that time anyway. And so, we ended up moving over to Anchorage with Digital Wealth Partners, and I've obviously done really well there. Close to $1 billion in AUM, down a little bit now because of the price action that we've seen here recently. But with that being said, I think that they could acquire a broker dealer. They may get a transfer agent license. I don't know that they'll get in that space with Ondo and Securitize already pretty well cemented there. They obviously have relationships with those companies. You saw some of them on the same panel there at the World Economic Forum, including BlackRock. They've had many people like that at Swell each year when they put that conference on. So it'll be interesting to see.